Hi all, I am Athara Kulkarni and in this video we are going to talk about a cool new app called ToiletSeva app which has been recently released in Google Play Store as well as on iOS App Store. The aim of making this video series is to make the user familiar with the features of this app, and I have divided this video series into multiple videos with each video comprising of a functionality so that the user gets hands-on knowledge about using this app and he doesn't face any issues while using the functionalities of the app. In this video we are going to talk about the search functionality, which is an important functionality of the app, and in the subsequent videos we'll explore all the other important features of this app. ToiletSeva app, in short to summarize, is an app which lets you search clean and hygienic toilets around your location, as well as you can give ratings to the toilets which are listed in the app which are nearby to you, or when you visit some particular toilet you can give rating to that particular toilet on this app so that the other users or users who are using this app can benefit from this, or you can add a new toilet which you have recently visited onto this app. That will help other users to make a decision about visiting this toilet. So without wasting any further time, let's start on with the first functionality about this app, that is the search functionality. The search functionality. Let's log into the app. Now when we log into the app, we are redirected to a page which looks something like this. Now this page has a list of toilets which are around your current location. Now there are two methods of searching for toilets. First one is by entering the location directly. For this, we'll find the search bar, which is located at the top here. So when we click on that search bar, let me click on that search bar, we are redirected to a page where we are allowed to enter the location. At the bottom, if we see, this is my current location right now. So let me enter location. Let's say I'm currently at Gokhalenagar and I want to go to Deccan Gymkhana tonight. So I'll type in Deccan Gymkhana, Pune, Maharashtra, and I'll confirm the location. So after I confirm the location, it will basically search for toilets in that location and it will show me the toilets that are there in that particular location. So now we have a list of toilets which are there at that particular location. Now let me explain to you some of the things which are there on this page. Now first one is this stars and the number which you see. So this number basically indicates the number of people who are given rating to this particular toilet. So currently we see that 5 people have given rating to this toilet and we have 5 stars. So these stars indicate the average number of ratings which have been given. So 5 star indicates that all 5 people have given 5-star ratings. The next thing is these symbols. So first two symbols indicate that it's open for both ladies and gents. This indicates that it's a Western style. This indicates that it's an Indian style. So both Western and Indian style are present. This indicates the distance from my current location, that is 0.5 kilometer. This thing tells us that this particular toilet has been reviewed, and this thing indicates that there is no data. That means the time or the operating hours of this toilet is not known. Now there is one more method of searching for toilet which is a more smart approach, that is by using filters. So if we see here, we have a filter icon which is located here. So let me click on this icon. Now we see that there are 7 to 8 categories, and in each category we have certain subcategories. So for cost, we have free, paid, customers only, visitors only. So now let me select the type as government subsidized and for access as ladies, and I'll click on done. So now it will try to search for toilets that match these particular features. So basically this allows the user to narrow down the search as per his needs. Now it's trying to search for the toilets that match these particular filters. Now we see that it has shown the toilets that have matched that particular filter. Now let's take the example of T toilets for her. Now in case of T toilets for her, we see that 8 people have reviewed the toilet. It's reviewed and every person has given 5-star rating to it. So basically this toilet is particularly useful for a woman because it's been reviewed by 8 people and 5 stars have been given. So that indicates that it's a clean and hygienic toilet. Now there is one more interesting functionality, that is this sort by feature, which you see at the top. So when we click on sort by feature, we are provided with 3 options. You can sort by distance, you can sort by cleanliness rating, or you can sort by overall ratings. And next thing is the duration. Duration can be last 2 weeks or last all years. Now this duration indicates the ratings which have been given in that particular duration. Now let's take the example of overall ratings and select last 6 months as the duration. And let's click on select. So when we apply these criteria, it will basically show the toilets whose ratings have been given in the last 6 months. Now let us wait for the search to be completed. Now we see that filters have been applied and the toilets have been shown which match that particular sorting criteria. So if we see that there are many toilets that match that particular criteria. And a similar thing also applies for cleanliness and distance. So this is all that I have got from this video. This is the basic search functionality. In the next video we will be looking at some advanced concepts of search functionality. Now there is one thing, one might complain that when he or she inputs the location of a place, he doesn't see toilets or a few toilets are there, or toilets which are shown don't have ratings. The reason for that is that there are some locations which do not have ratings or which are not added. So these toilets need to be added or reviewed. Hence I urge you to add these toilets or give rating to these toilets whenever you visit them. Every contribution of yours will help this app to grow faster. With this, I'd like to conclude my video. Thanks for watching.